Hey everyone, Colin here with Clean Air Heating and Cooling, coming to you today from Birch Bay, Washington. I just wanted to let you know it's getting a bit cold outside, and we are lining up a job for a new air conditioner. It's October, and we are installing an air conditioner for next year, so it's going to go right there. And Tyler and I just finished this job, so he's just finishing up, and so he's going to communicate some line set paths and where the exhaust and everything will go. So just wanted to give you a heads up that things are picking up, things are getting busier. If you want to get on the list for a stress-free installation for your heating and cooling system before the winter comes, this is a really good time to call. And if you want to plan it out in the future, totally fine. But starting the conversation now is a really good idea. And if you happen to want it done right away, we are about a week out right now, so we can get you on the schedule right away. So as always, you can call our phone number 360-398-9400. You can call or text that number for easy questions and answers, whatever makes it easy for you. Thank you. Looking forward to talking to you soon.